Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies in your home. Yes, yes. So what we were learning? We were learning about computer subject. So in the last episode, what we have learned, we will revise it and then we will start a new topic. Okay. So do you remember what we have learned in the last episode? Yes, do you remember? Yes, we have learned the first lesson, machines around us. So you all are known what are the machines. So let us revise once what we have seen in the last episode. So everyone has to open your book, Cambridge Saffron book. Yes, students. So what we have learned is machines around us. So here there are so many machines. Yes. So how those machines are made up of? Natural things or human-made things? Yes, those are man-made things. Yes. Then next we have learned in detail natural and human-made things. What are the natural things? Natural things are found in nature. Those are not made by human beings. Those are God gift, made by God itself. For example, sun, birds, humans, trees, etc. So these all things are made by God. So it is natural things. Even there are so many examples. So can you tell me any examples of natural things? Yes, moon. Again. Yes, sun, birds, humans and trees. So these are natural things. Now what are human-made things? There are so many things that are made by humans. So what are those? For example, table, chair, toys, house. Yes? Cupboard, lamp, everything. And also all machines which runs on electricity or run on petrol, fuel are also made by humans. Okay, have you understood natural and human made things? Yes, this is just revision we are doing. So next we have seen some machines, that is car, which is used outside the house. Washing machine that is used inside the house, mobile phone, refrigerator, an air conditioner, a camera. These all are the machines which some are used inside the house and some are used outside the house. Okay. Okay, now today we are going to learn a computer as a smart machine. We all know that a computer is a smart machine. Why we call it as a smart machine? Yes, a computer is a smart machine. It runs on electricity. We all know that it runs on electricity. Until and unless you will not on the button, it will not switch on. So do you know why it is called a smart machine? This is because it works faster than you do. It never gets tired. It does not make mistakes. So there are some reasons why it is called as a smart machine. So first thing is it works faster than you do. Means what? Means it works fast. The time you take to do work, it do it as early as possible. So whatever, for example, typing work, if you wanted to type a notes, you can type it immediately and take a printout. Or you can draw any picture and paint it. Even for playing video video games, it is used. But rather than this, if any work we do in this computer, it works fast. There are many applications which are used in various malls, shopping malls, railway stations, or in schools. If we use those applications, you can see it works faster than the humans. Second point is, it never gets tired. As we are human beings, if we work continuously, we get tired. But as it is a machine, it never gets tired. You sit in front of that and work for continuously 10 hours, then also it gives you a best result. It never gets tired. Next is, it does not make mistakes. As a human beings, we make few mistakes while doing a work. But as a machine, it doesn't make any mistake. So, have you understood why it is called a smart machine? Yes, it works faster than you do. It never gets tired. It does not make mistakes. So, these are the reason why it is called smart machine. So, leaving this computer system, let us see some other smart machines like computer are given below. So, there are some other machines which are same like computer, that is smartphone. Nowadays you can see the smartphones where you can operate it as a same computer. Whatever you can do in that, you can also do in these smartphones. Next is laptop. Yes, you can see this computer. It has so many wires and 3 or 4 different parts. But laptop, it doesn't need such different parts. Only we can attach mouse or other devices such as pen drive or cable wire. But here you can see CPU, keyboard is different part. But here in laptop you can see it is been attached and the size of laptop is small. You can carry this anywhere. Next is tablet. Even in tablet we can do all the things as compared to this smart machine. So these are also some other smart machines which are being used nowadays. Have you understood, students, a computer as a smart machine? Yes. So let us do one activity. That is activity number 3. You have to think and answer. Pick the smart machine you have at your home. So there are different smart machines here. 4 smart machines are there. So which machine is in your home, you have to tick it. So I hope in this everyone will be having mobile, that is smartphone. If you are having computer or laptop or tablet, then you have to click on that. But mobile, smartphone, everyone will be having. If you are not having, don't click. But if you are having, you can click. You can just tick it. With the help of your pencil, just tick in that box the smart machines which you have in your home. Okay, done? Very good, students. Now, turn the page. So, there is one more activity. What is that? You have to discuss now. So, do you think a sharpener is a machine? Yes, it is a machine. Why? because it sharpens our pencil. Can you think of a woman made things that is not a machine? Is there any things? Those are made by human beings, but those are not machines. So, do you know what are those? Okay, I will tell you one example. House. House is not a machine. It is made by human beings. So again, can you tell anything? Okay, you have to think on it and we will discuss it again. Okay. Now, circle the odd one out. So here there are three machines. First is oven, second is truck and third is music system. So in this, which one is odd? Odd means different. All three are machines, but which one is different? So how to find out is oven and music systems plays on electricity. When you on the button, then only it plays. But truck, with the help of electricity, does it runs on the road? No. It runs when you put fuel or petrol in the truck. So, you have to circle odd one out, that is truck. You have to circle truck. Done? Okay. Now next there is small recap that we have learnt in this lesson. So what is that recap? Let us see. There are two types of things, natural and human made things. Yes, we have learned this. Natural things are found in nature and human made things are made by humans. A computer is a smart machine. So these 3 points we have learnt in this lesson. So students, have you understood the lesson? So now let us solve the exercises. So you can see a checklist. Okay, here you have to put a tick or a cross mark. You have to put a tick mark for the natural things that I got it and I need help. For these natural things, human made things, machines. If you have understood the concept, you can tick it. If you need any help, then you have to tick in front of I need help. Okay. Now next, come on. Everybody take pencil in your hand. Pencil and eraser in your hand. Now we have to solve this. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. You have to fill in the blanks with the given words. Given words means here already the answers are given, but you have to fill it correctly. So tell me the first one. Things that are found in nature are called dash things. The things which are found in nature are called, what it is called? Is it called machines? No. Is it called natural? Yes. The things which are found in nature, it is called natural things. So you have to write here this second option, that is natural things. N A T U R A L. Natural things is already written. So you have to write only natural. Done? Next, second one, dash are human made things. So which things are made by human? Machines. Which things are made by humans? Machines. So you have to write here machines. As it is a starting letter, you have to write capital M. So write here capital M A C H I N E S. Machines. Machines are human made things. Done? Yes, next one. A dash is a machine used to move from one place to another. So you have to see which is that machine which moves one place to another. So the options are machines, natural, computer, washing machine or car. So which is that machine which moves from one place to another? Yes, everybody is smart. It is, answer is car, C-A-R, car. I hope you all are writing with me only. Done? Next, fourth. A dash is a machine used to wash dirty cloth. So which is that machine used to wash dirty clothes? Yes, washing machine. So you have to write here washing machine. The spelling is here up. You have to see that spelling and write it correctly. So what is the spelling of washing? Don't write capital W, write small w, A, S, H, I, N, G, washing machine. Give your little bit space. Write your machine, M, A, C, H, I, N, E, machine. Washing machine is a machine used to wash dirty cloths. Next, fifth one. A dash is a smart machine. So which machine is a smart machine? We have learned, that is computer. So let us write a spelling of computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Done? Yes. Now next, pick the machine that are used at home. So there are 4 machines here. So which are the machines that are used at home? Lamp, is it used at home? Yes. So you have to take it. Boat, is it used in home? No, you should not take. Aeroplane, is it used in home? No. Fan, yes. You have to pick to fan. Done? Yes. Now next, everybody turn the page. Okay. Next is find the names of 6 machines in the word maze given below. So here one box is given, in that you have to find 6 machines name. So let us start. Yes. First one, truck. Where is truck? You have to find T. T is here. So after T, which spelling will come? R. So you can see here. You can search all 4 sides. So you can see T-R-U-C-K, truck. So you have to see the spelling where it is. and just mark it out. Okay. Next, oven. You have to search oven. First, you should know the spellings of the things. So, where is oven? Oven starts with letter O. So, where it is? It is here. So, you have to mark it out. Okay, students. Now, remaining these 4, you search by yourself. This is your homework. Okay. We will see next one. Now, write E next to the machine that runs on electricity. You have to write E to the machine in front of that machine which runs on electricity, and write F next to the machine that runs on fuel. So, one is done for you. The school bus runs on fuel. So, it is here it is written F. So, truck, how it runs? Will it run with the help of electricity? No, it will run with the help of fuel. So, you have to write here F. Next, oven. How does oven runs? With the help of electricity. So, you have to write here E. Next, machine, how it runs? With the help of electricity. Very good. So, you have to write here E. Mixer, yes, it also runs with the help of electricity. Car, no, it doesn't run on electricity. It needs fuel. So, you have to write here F. So, students, have you understood? Yes. Now, next, identify the words with the help of the given clues. So, you have to identify the words with the help of given this picture, and you have to complete the box, that is words. So, first one, it has 7 colors, it is a natural thing. So, what is this? Yes, rainbow. So, here R is given, after R, A. You have to write capital A, RAINBOW. You have to complete the rainbow spelling. Done? Yes. Next, you hear music with this machine. What is this machine called? Music system. So, what is the spelling of music? M-U-S-I-C. So, here U and I is missing. You have to write here U and here I. And the spelling of system is S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. You have to write capital letters. Next, you click photos with this machine. What is that? Camera. So, in this camera spelling, A is missing and here E is missing. Come on, do it fast with me only. Next, it is a home to many birds. It is a natural thing. What is this? Yes, very good students. Tree. T-R-E-E. Only R and one single E is missing. You have to write. Next, you can use this machine to cut paper. That is scissor. What is the spelling of scissor? S-C-I. Here C is missing, so I will write only C. You have to also write only C. Double S is there. What will come after that? O-R. Scissor. Done everybody up till here? Okay, now next page. Next page, this is your homework. This is your homework you have to do in home afterwards. So what you have to do is, you have to just match the machine with their uses. The machines are given and the uses are given below. So you have to just match the machine. Okay students, so today we have completed the first lesson, that is machines around us. I hope you all have understood. Yes, no? Yes. So you have to do little bit revision of this. You have to learn the spellings which you don't know. Okay. So we will meet in next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.